was a battle, and your light feels so cold. And I'm inside your mind. You're mine. Feel hard to breathe sometimes. Have no time to cry.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here, I'm V. It's Saturday, guys, and I just woke up a few minutes past 7. I'm trying to get ready because not really trying, like these are the things I'm going to do. Getting ready, I'll wash my clothes because and dust my house just a little bit because it's so dusty out there. So I'll be washing my clothes because Monday to Friday I've been busy at work, and today, since I'm going somewhere, and tomorrow hopefully a friend of mine, Faith, and I will be going also to Suswa. We are not so sure about that yet, so I need to do some cleaning today in the morning before I head over to my friend who invited me for lunch. So when you get invited for lunch, I think there are some things you need to do, like maybe I need to buy her some stuffs. So we will head over to the CBD, me and you. We get her some flowers, and I don't know what next. I think flowers will be enough. Then we head over, have that lunch, and have the girl talk. Actually, before I even leave, I'm watching Nairofey, guys. I'm watching Nairofey. So I don't know how many of you guys watch this girl, but she's amazing. She's goals. I've never met her, but I just like watching her. So yeah, let's get started. These are the products I've been using for the last 1 month. Of course, not religiously because sometimes I just forget. So this is, what is this even called? I don't really know these things, guys. I'm not a makeup person, so these things, I don't know. This is a toner. There's something I bought the other day in town when I was leaving work. Shea butter, guys. If you've ever used shea butter, let me know in the comment section below if it's safe to use on my face, because I was told that it evens out the skin tone. I don't know how true that is, but I got it. It moisturizes. That's one thing I'm certain, because I've been using it on my body. Anyway, I bought it the other day, so I only used it yesterday. So it is here. I love this thing, guys. I haven't used it a lot. So it's body butter. This is body butter. So I can't use it on my face. And I don't know, beeswax. Alright, so this, I got the strawberry one. It was written strawberry, but I'm telling you guys, this is just the normal one, like vanilla. I think they call it vanilla. But I love it. I love it. Like, guys, you see, I just love it. And I think this is what I'll be using for the next 1 month. If I see any changes, any visible changes on my skin, then I'll order another one. I'll definitely order another one once I see like visible changes. I don't know what my colleagues told me, that it makes someone so smooth and it evens out the skin tone. So we are going to be using that all over my body, which means this thing will be over before even the 1 month. But yeah, that's what we'll be doing. I think I need to mix it with some oil. Let me mix it with oil because it will be infused fast in my body, I think. Which oil? I have some oil. So I'm mixing it with this one here. This is what? Vitamin C oil. So just put Not a lot, not a lot. But yeah, it can be a lot. It don't matter. It doesn't matter. Oh God, I'm gonna look so shiny like what's the name of that girl who is always shiny using oils? Oh my goodness. Oh my. This is extremely shiny. Anyway, it's Saturday, we're gonna roll with it.
The wind chimes must have a message they're sending. How they play, how they play, how they play, how they play for me. It's giving peace and love.
I'm ready, guys. So I've decided I'm carrying the big bag, this one here, the one I usually carry to work, because there's some documents I need to take to my friend. These are her documents that some official documents that she'll be using this week, so I'm carrying them for her. So that's why I decided to go with a big bag. Also in the evening when I'll be coming back, I might get something in the CBD that I might buy. I'm also going to go with this sweater because outside here it feels like it's going to rain. Or I don't know, it just looks weird. So I'm also going to carry this just in case it rains. So yeah, let's get out of here. The next one, we are getting flowers.
It's the summer breeze on a Sunday morning. Birds chirping, a new day is calling. Yesterday is gone, and in my heart there's a new song of peace. It's the summer rain on a Monday evening. The wind chimes must have a message they're sending. How they play, how they play, how they play, how they play for me. It's giving peace and love. 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 It's me waking up on my birthday. A little older, but hey, that's okay. 'Cause I'm still here looking tasty, and I'm wiser, yeah, I'll take it.
Good morning, guys. I know I look, oh my God, I look so homeless. So I just woke up. It's Sunday, nothing much to do today. I wanted to show you something, guys. Yesterday was amazing. Yesterday was the best. I had lunch, not lunch, yeah, it was lunch, a lunch date. My friend called me over to her place. We had lunch. We watched so many things on the screen. It was amazing. There's so many, like this Terrence Creatives, Millie, Bahati. I never really watched those ones, but we watched yesterday. It was amazing. So you remember when I got these flowers? They've been staying here for so long, guys. Not so long, a week and some days, I don't know. They've been staying here, and I feel like it's time for me to change. Of course I wanted to change like the whole week, but I just called in. So yesterday when I was getting flowers for my friend, I also got flowers for me. I got some lilies, lilies, mummies, just a mixture of these flowers. And yeah, after that we're going to make breakfast.
Guitars were strumming, banjos were playing, fiddles were singing, hearts were swaying. Oh, the summer nights in bluegrass tunes, where love was blooming under the moon. We were young and wild, oh so carefree. Southern love and bluegrass by the sea. The rhythm of the music flowed through our veins as the waves crashed and carried away our pains. Sipping on sweet tea, barefoot in the sand, giggling, whispering hand in hand. The rhythm of the music flowed through our veins as the waves crashed and carried away our pains. All those summer nights in bluegrass tunes, where love was blooming under the moon. We were young and wild, oh so carefree. Southern rock and bluegrass by the sea. All those summer nights in bluegrass tunes, where love was blooming under the moon. We were young and wild, oh so carefree. Southern rock and bluegrass by the sea. Southern rock and bluegrass by the sea. Sipping on sweet tea, barefoot in the sand, giggling and whispering hand in hand. The rhythm of the music flowed through our veins as the waves crashed and carried away our pains.